Hi, my name is Jaramillo. This is a video for ITT 210, topic 4, assignment CTF. So here we are going to be using Ghidra to reverse engineer a file, and the file is this one, a.out. And what we need to do is get to the machine code and then the C code and read the embedded password to be able to open the file. So right now we can't open it, so let's look at that. So if we open our folder here, open the terminal, and then try to open this file. Alright, so let's try to open it. So, access denied, right? So the reason for that is because we need the password to get in. And I've done this assignment already. I know what the password is, so but let's go through it one more time to get the password revealed by reverse engineering. So we're going to close this. Actually, yeah, we'll close that, minimize this, and we're going to open Ghidra here. And we are going to create a new project. So new project, non-shared. There's our directory there. We're going to name this CTF, I guess. CTF. And then we're going to hit finish. Now we need to load that file that we want to reverse engineer. So we're going to load it here by simply dragging it. We're going to accept those defaults. Hit OK. Now we're importing the file. There's a summary. Now my VM always enlarges this, so we are going to close this because I can't hit OK. The button is always missing. So we're going to close this and reopen it. Close it. Alright, so there's the file loaded. Yes, we do want to analyze it. So we'll set the defaults and analyze. Okay, so here's the assembly code, machine code. Here's the C code. So let's go to the, we got to find the main function here. So there's the main function. And if obviously the middle here is machine language, we can't read that. Not us as humans, but of course the computer can. But this here, we can read a little bit better. So we see the integers here, and then we see what's declared, and then we see here the arguments. So if anything other than the password is entered, we get a return value of access denied. So let's test that real quick. So minimize this, minimize that. Go back to our folder which contains a file. And then we will try again, but with a password. Let's just do password. 1, 2, 3. Access denied. Wrong password, obviously. So let's try this again. Ghidra. Open our info here. Now we see here that the password here is 2 parts. So if we only enter part of the password, which is 2 parts, we should get access denied. So we can see here that it's simple and password. So let's go back here. Let's do simple. Nope, that will not work. That's only part of the password. Well, the second part was password. But nope, it needs the whole thing. So If we go back, we can see that it needs two simple password and it's two different variables, so that means there's a space in between. So let's go back here. Simple. Let's try it without the space. It doesn't work, so we'll try it again. This time with the space in between. And you are in. That means that's the correct password. So when we started this, we didn't know what the password was. We could try a number of uh, different passwords, but if it's not the password written into the program, then it wasn't going to work. And to find that password, we had the file of the program. We loaded that into Ghidra, reverse engineered it, saw the assembly language, which we can't read, but we opened the main function and C here. We see the decompiler, and we're able to read through the code and see that these two variables were set as a password. And if you type both of these with the space in between, you get "you are in," and that lets you know you've executed the correct password. And if you don't put the correct password, you get the access denied message, which we got before we put the correct password. So this is an example of how to load a file into Ghidra, reverse engineer it, find the code that you need in the decompiler in C, and then use that code for your advantage. In this case, we needed the password to get into the file, to run the file, and we found it here in the Ghidra program. So this completes the video for the assignment, topic 4 assignment in ITT 210, and the assignment name is CTF. Thank you.